Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to take control of your finances and manage your budget more effectively, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best expense and budget apps that can help you track your spending and make informed financial decisions. Whether you're looking for simplicity or comprehensive features, these apps have what you need. Let's get started. Monefy Budget v Expenses. Monefy is a user-friendly budgeting app designed to help users manage their expenses effortlessly. With its intuitive interface, users can easily input their daily expenses and categorize them into different groups, such as food, transportation, and entertainment. Monefy offers visual representations, like pie charts, to help users quickly understand their spending habits. One of the standout features of Monefy is the ability to add expenses on the go using a simple input method, making it ideal for users with busy lifestyles. The app also provides detailed reports, allowing for better financial planning. Additionally, Monefy supports multiple currencies, making it versatile for travelers. Money Tracker Expense v Budget. Money Tracker is a straightforward app that assists users in tracking their income and expenses effectively. Designed for simplicity, the app enables users to create and manage budgets easily. Users can categorize their expenses and income, set monthly limits, and receive notifications when they approach their budget thresholds. The app features a clear and organized layout, making it simple to view spending patterns and financial summaries. Money Tracker also includes a variety of customizable reports that help users analyze their financial habits, facilitating smarter budgeting decisions. This app is perfect for those who prefer a no-frills approach to managing their finances. Money Manager Expense v Budget. Money Manager Expense v Budget is a robust financial management tool that offers comprehensive features for tracking expenses, budgeting, and analyzing financial statements. Users can customize their budget by setting limits for different categories and can easily input transactions with just a few taps. The app presents detailed financial reports with graphs and charts to help users visualize their spending patterns. Money Manager allows for tracking multiple accounts, including bank accounts and cash balances. Additionally, it offers backup and restore options, ensuring that users' financial data is always safe. This app is ideal for users looking for a detailed and feature-rich budgeting experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best expense and budget apps helps you find the perfect tool to manage your finances. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and app recommendations. Which budgeting app are you excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.